What's up, guys? Charlie and I took a little trip to Fern Gully. Didn't we, buddy? Tell him, where are we, bud? Where are we? Water park?
Yeah.
We're not at a water park, dude. Where are we? Hey, what day is it?
A Friday.
That's right, it's Friday every day. You ready to go have some fun in the woods, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, that's where we're going, bud.
Yeah.
You see? The road less traveled. That's the road that we always go on, okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Always be different, okay, buddy?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
Yep. So every day I like to go over like some little basic affirmations with Charlie. You're always gonna be consistent, bud.
No
Yeah.
way.
Oh yes, way.
No way.
Yeah, dude, you're always gonna be strong.
No way.
Yeah, man, no doubt about it. You're always gonna be full of love.
No way.
Yes, you are, dude. Yes,
No
you are.
way.
I promise, man.
No
I
way.
promise, you know, you're always gonna be so super powerful.
No way.
That's right. You're gonna be an amazing friend.
No way.
That's right, you are, because you're already my best friend.
No way.
Indeed, bud, indeed. I'm gonna make you a no matter what guy. You know that?
No.
No matter what, anything you do,
No.
you're gonna crush it.
Mhm.
No matter what, everything you touch is gonna turn to gold.
Yeah.
No matter what, any pain and troubles that you go through in your life, you're gonna crush it and you're gonna kill it no matter what. You are a beast. No matter what, you're strong. No matter what, you're powerful.
Say what?
What am I seeing? What? No matter what, I love you forever.